Ready to elevate your brand's online presence? Let's explore how to create a captivating social media profile that truly connects with your audience. We'll start by focusing on Instagram, a powerful platform for visual storytelling. Navigate to your profile page, where the magic of customization begins. Pay close attention to your username. It should be memorable and easily searchable. Your profile picture, a clear and recognizable representation of your brand, is equally vital. The bio is your digital handshake. Craft a concise and compelling description that clearly communicates who you are and what you offer. Use relevant keywords to improve discoverability and include a call to action, perhaps directing users to your website or latest offering. Don't forget to integrate your website link. Why Euro? It's your direct pathway to conversions. Now, let's talk about stories. Pin your most important stories to showcase your brand's essence, key products, or ongoing promotions. This creates a dynamic, evergreen element to your profile. Content is king. Mix and match your posts to tell a cohesive story. Feature high-quality product imagery, offer glimpses behind the scenes to build authenticity, and leverage customer testimonials to foster trust and social proof. Consistency in your visual style will also help build brand recognition. Finally, remember to analyze your performance. Utilize Instagram's built-in analytics to understand what resonates with your audience. Track engagement metrics like likes, comments, and saves. This data is gold, informing future content strategies and ensuring your profile continues to evolve and connect.